Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix download not working in DeepL. So actually guys, first you will need to check your file size and type. So DeepL supports the docx, PDF and PPT forms, and large files may fail to load, so the fix is to split the large documents and resave and retry. Also guys, I really advise you to check your internet connection afterward, so go ahead with another tab and just go with the fast.com that powered by Netflix to check your internet speed. Alright, so right here where you can check if the internet is the issue. Alright, and here where you can ensure the connection or your internet connection is stable. Also guys, there is another step which is very important, so you will need just to go and tap or click on the three dots that's located at the top right corner of the browser, and then just go and scroll or navigate to the settings at the second last option, and here where you can go and click on privacy and security option, or the third option on left hand menu, and where you can delete or clear the browsing data. Okay, so just go with delete browsing data, the first option on the privacy and security, just show you, click it and then go with delete data. So actually guys, just like that you can fix the issue and handle it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.